slightly bigger configuration of 3 BHK unit. So for the slightly bigger configuration, you will initially get a servant's room and a maid's room, which can also be utilized as a work from home setup. It will come with a mini washroom, and this has a separate entrance. It has got nothing to do with the main entrance. So once you step into the main entrance, you will again see a foyer area, quite spacious dining area, which can accommodate a 6-seater easily, and quite big living area as well. You can really feel at home here. If you look at this interiors as well, you can easily understand how big it is. And the living room comes again with a super big balcony. So if you see, this is how big it is, quite spacious and big for the configuration. And next we have the guest bedroom. This comes with an attached toilet, and this is how it looks. And this bedroom is quite sufficient for the guests or the kids as well. You can easily accommodate a queen size bed along with a sliding wardrobe. Next we'll check the kitchen. So the kitchen in this model flat is again having a parallel kitchen. It is also quite big, if you can see, and it comes with a decent sized utility space to place your washing machine. Under the kitchen we have the common washroom. It is also quite sufficient and quite big. And next up we have the second bedroom. Again, it is a little compact. A queen size bed can be accommodated easily here with a sliding wardrobe. I wouldn't suggest having huge wardrobe here. And then we can see the master bedroom, which comes with an attached toilet and super spacious area for the bed. And here you can either go for sliding wardrobe or a hinge based wardrobe as well. And again this bedroom comes with a little bigger balcony compared to the ones we have seen in the 1629 SFT configuration. So that's about the 3 BHK bigger configuration.